Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In today's video, we'll take you step-by-step through the process of setting up your Kalff WiFi Extender. This easy-to-use device is designed to extend your Wi-Fi coverage, providing a stronger and more reliable signal in areas of your home or office where the connection is weak or spotty. Let's get started with the setup. Now, take your Kalff Wi-Fi Extender and plug it into a power outlet that's located close to your router. Ideally, position the extender halfway between your router and the area with weak Wi-Fi signal. This placement will help ensure optimal coverage and boost the signal where it's needed most. Once plugged in, wait for the power LED to light up. This may take a minute. On your smartphone, tablet, or computer, go to your Wi-Fi settings and look for the Kalff Wi-Fi Extender network. It will appear with a default name, usually something like Kalff_XXXX. Open a web browser on your device, and in the address bar, type in the default IP address provided in the manual, usually 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1. Press Enter, and you'll be taken to the Kalff Wi-Fi Extender setup page. Next, you'll be presented with a list of available Wi-Fi networks. From this list, select your primary Wi-Fi network and enter the correct password. This step establishes a connection between your Kalff Wi-Fi Extender and your existing router, allowing the extender to boost your signal. After successfully connecting, you have the option to create a new Wi-Fi network name, SSID, for the extended network, or you can keep it the same as your router's. Choosing a unique name for the extended network can make it easier to identify and connect to the boosted signal. Finally, go to the area where you wanted to enhance the Wi-Fi signal. Check the connection strength on your device, and you should notice a significant improvement in both signal strength and stability. The Kalff Wi-Fi Extender should now provide a more reliable and consistent connection in that location. If you experience any issues or require assistance, our dedicated team of experts is always ready to help. Don't hesitate to reach out to us for support and personalized guidance. We're here to ensure your experience with the Kalff Wi-Fi Extender is smooth and trouble-free. Contact us at 1-323-507-3713. That's it. Your Kalff Wi-Fi Extender is now set up and ready to boost your Wi-Fi coverage. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials like this. Drop a comment if you have any questions, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.